Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Designflyer and Multimedia. My name is Rafy and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. The first thing we need to do is to make a page size. I go to File. Then we click on New. Flyer. Then you come in here and type the width size. The width size is 1748. Then we type the height 2480. And the resolution should be 300. And the color from this point should be changed from RGB to CMYK. And from down below here, we click on Create. Next, we go to File. I will click on Place. And I'm using this Hamburger picture. Now click on Place. And I will increase the image size. Then from the menu bar here, I will click on this icon here to confirm the transformation. Next, I'll go to my tools bar and select my pen tools. And I'll come to the menu bar here and change the path to shade. Then I can remove the stroke color. And I'll make it path. now close the path from this point here. I'll press Ctrl T on my keyboard, then Shift key and alternative key on the keyboard and drag it out. Next, I'll come down below here and make a new layer. Then I'll go back to my pen tools. I'll make another part. On the top here, then I'll change this color to red. Okay. And I'll come down below here and make a new layer. Now I'll go back to my shape tools here, or right click on it and select circle. Then from the menu bar here, I will change the property. The color fill, I will change it to black. Then the stroke, I will change it to white. Then I'll increase the width of the stroke. Alright, then I'll come down below here and make a new layer. Now select my pen tools again. Now make a path. Now I'll go to menu bar here and remove the stroke. Now press Ctrl plus to zoom out the entire shape. Then I will make a repeat. And I press Ctrl T on my keyboard, right click, then flip to horizontal. Then I click on OK. When I press Shift key and click on the second layer, I'll drag it down here to make it grow. I'll go to my menu bar, click on Select, All. Then from my menu bar here, I make sure I centralize to the center. Then I'll go back to Select again and select. Then I'll press Ctrl T on my keyboard. Now I'll drag it down. Next, I'll go to my toolbar again. I will right click on it and select my rectangle. Then from the menu bar here, I will make sure no stroke. Now I will choose this yellow. And the color field remain yellow. Then I'll make a new part, new shape. Okay, press Ctrl 0 to zoom to the entire canvas. So now I can adjust my picture. I can adjust my shape here to the top. So now I can go back to my toolbar and select my text tools. I click on this layer. I'll come down below here and make a new layer. Then I'll type Hamburger. All in capital letter, big, Ctrl A to highlight. Then I'll increase the font size. I'll come here and change my font style. this one here. Then I press Ctrl T on my keyboard. Shift and alternative key to expand. Click on this check mark. Then I'll come to the text layer, I click on it and click rasterize. Next, I'll press Ctrl T on my keyboard. Now I'll select Puppet Wrap. Having select wrap, then I'll drag it up. Then I'll click on this check mark to accept it. Let's I'll make a new layer again. I'll go back to my text tools and I'll type boateng. I'll press Ctrl A to highlight, and I'll go to my font style and change the font style. I make use of redemption. I'll change the color to white. Click on OK. Then I'll right click on the burger layer. I'll click on blending option. Then I'll apply stroke. Then I'll click on OK.